good morning, everyone. To everyone tuning in from across the globe. On behalf of NASSCOM and our amazing product community, I'm just very privileged and delighted to welcome all of you to the 17th edition of NPC. As we know, we live in a much more challenging circumstances than we last met in 2019. So first and foremost, I hope everyone is healthy and well. So it's great to have all of you at what is truly India's annual product and startup showcase to the world. With the virtual format, in addition to our typical global speaker base, this year we have had massive interest from all of you from across the US, Europe, Middle East, Africa, all parts of India and Asia. So thank you for being here. Today, as we know, we stand at the cusp of a revolution here in India, a software-driven one, of perhaps unprecedented scale globally, one that promises to return India to the innovation powerhouse that it was 1,000 years back, and also as one of the world's leading economies. And what really excites me the most is that this innovation-led movement will hopefully drive more prosperity for all segments of society. We are truly at an inflection point. We are already the third largest startup ecosystem in the world. We have the largest technical talent base, the youngest population. We stand on the shoulders of giants like our IT services companies and our global R&D centers here in India. And now with the disruption around deep tech and SaaS in particular, with every product being rewritten and the accelerated trend towards verticalization, I firmly believe we stand to become a product superpower within a decade, and that too both for India and for the world. But yet perhaps the biggest secret weapon is our paid forward culture, all of you. So NPC 2021 focuses on the theme Reimagine Next. A lot has already been written, about the big shifts that 2020 brought about. For product and startup innovators, 2021 is the year to look at what's next. Can we reimagine entire industries, business processes, functions, roles, and the rest, and build more world-class and perhaps meaningful products? And what is the next big innovation from India? So my challenge to all of you attendees is, can we together reimagine next over the next 3 days? So over 3 days, we bring you over 50 hours of content in interactive formats, curated by over 100 industry experts. This is very unique the world over, truly for the community, by the community. We have a great roster of world-class leaders and thinkers lined up to speak. But the most enjoyable part of NPC perhaps has been the network and the conversations over the years. While we are missing the camaraderie and the coffee connects from our physical world, we have attempted to create a lot of that in the virtual format. The startup showcase, the networking zone. And by the way, please do take advantage of the virtual one-on-one networking feature and the ability to create your own discussion tables, etc., on this new platform. As well as the investor, the business CXO connects, and yes, of course, the summits. We have to mention the summits. The 6 summits across 3 days will deep dive into sectoral focus. This year, we build upon a couple. We do fintech, health tech, Bharat, product management, hardware and devices and IoT. And with the focus on remote collaboration, we have introduced a new summit around Work 2.0. A great feature of NPC has always been the interactive roundtables. This year, they're called Straight Talks, and around top-of-mind topics, the popular ones being the digital business CXOs, go-to-market strategy for product companies, especially during the time of the pandemic, career-focused sessions on product management, engineering and data science for students, and tons more. And yes, this year we bring tens of thousands of students to NPC. We also have 75 plus startups doing demos in the exhibit zone, so do check them out. So basically, NPC brings together the aspiration for building world-class products from India. We call this massive community movement, #India Productified. So as we all reimagine next together, please do tweet and post on LinkedIn or Facebook with the hashtags India Productified and NPC 2021 so others can follow along as well. Finally, my gratitude to the NASSCOM team, my friends in the NPC core team, and the Summits team, and all our volunteer community. And to all our sponsors, thank you very much. With that, let's get the show on the road.